So today I'm going to be talking to you about how to customize your opportunity cards, which can be very useful if you have someone screening your leads and updating opportunities based on kind of like an intake form style of information. So first of all, we're going to look at a standard opportunity. And if you click on the desktop here, you'll see that it has the name, email, the status is default to open, and then you have your opportunity source, which is tracked. So you can also add your sources there. Now you'll see that below this, there isn't anything. And what we can do here is create a series of questions that you or your sales staff can go through on the call. And off the back of that call, you can adjust the pipeline status, mark the lead as lost or abandoned, move them through the quote stage, whatnot. And of course, in the opportunity, you can book appointments, tasks for users, and also make notes. But for now, we're just going to create a couple custom questions here, just so that we can use this like an intake form. So we'll go to add and manage fields, and that will take us to a completely different section in the hub. So now we are in settings in custom fields, and you'll see here that these are all the different custom fields that exist for your contacts. And what we're going to do is add a field. So we are going to make this just a single line field. And I'm going to number them just so that I know later on what order these questions are going in. So we're going to go timeline of completion, say you're wanting to know when they would like this job done by, and we're going to add it to the opportunity, all right? And from here, we're going to add it to the group of opportunity details. I'm going to add another field, and we'll say it's a number. No, monetary, there we go. And then we'll say budget, add it to opportunity. And here you can just have, extra notes or whatever, add this here. So we've saved these 3 fields. And now we will go back into the pipeline. So we'll see here that in this record, there are now 3 extra fields. So when you're on this call, you can say, okay, when would you like to complete this by? Say Christmas, my budget is 10 grand. And for renovation and update. All right. Now, if you would like this to also be added to the notes, we're going to get pretty, we'll say advanced here, and we're going to go into automations. And when you have your account, there might be something somewhat of a template in this section, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just create it from scratch. So start from scratch. And we'll just watch the dots for a little bit. And here we go. So we will name this opportunity custom fields, add note. So our trigger is going to be the opportunity is updated, opportunity changed, opportunity is changed. And this can happen every time the opportunity is changed. What we're going to do is add a note, and this adds to the note section of the client record. And we're going to look for the opportunity custom fields. So we're going to go timeline of completion, and that's going to fill that value in the note. And we're just going to add a description there. We knew that the next one was budget, and the final one there was type. So we'll go budget, opportunity, add the custom fields. Type, opportunity, add the custom fields, and save. All right, and we're going to save here. I'm going to check the settings and make sure that the contacts can go through this automation more than once. And then we're also going to publish it and save. You'll notice lots of saving here because automations don't auto save. So we have to continuously save them just to make sure that our work is being saved. So I'll go back to opportunities here. And in that first record, it wouldn't have saved all those details to the contact record. But we'll go into this other one here. We'll just check in notes here. So there's nothing in notes. And notes live kind of like on the job card, whereas the opportunity details, you can only really view them from the opportunity. So let's see, we'll say Christmas time as well, do the same sort of thing. And let's see. All right, so we're going to save this, update. So we've updated the opportunity, and then we'll check into the notes. And we'll see that these details have been added to the notes. So now those can also be visible on the job card as well as in the opportunity. So I hope that some of this makes sense. If you do have questions off the back of this or want help creating this sort of thing for your business, let me know. But I hope that this shows you what is available for creating custom fields within an opportunity. Cheers.